Welcome to the top picks. The best Bilbo Seat is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable seating solutions available today, designed to adapt to various needs and environments. Whether you're looking for a stylish addition to your living room, a practical option for your office, or even a portable seat for outdoor adventures. Its innovative design and high-quality materials ensure a superior user experience, making it a standout choice for anyone prioritizing both aesthetics and functionality in their furniture selection. This review will delve into what makes the Bilbo Seat a top contender in the market and why it might just be the perfect fit for your home. Number 5. OUTREE Kids Pod Swing Seat. Discover a peaceful and warm place for your child to play. This swing provides a sense of safety and soothing sensations, helping them relax and regulate their senses. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton canvas, this hammock chair offers a cozy spot for reading, watching TV, or listening to music. It's the perfect choice for a comfortable sensory experience. Built with reinforced edges and double stitching, this swing ensures maximum safety. The included PVC air cushion prevents mold, and it supports up to 100 pounds. Enjoy this versatile swing anywhere, indoors or out. It's perfect for hanging from the ceiling or a tree, and makes a wonderful addition to any child's room as a reading nook. Setting up is a breeze with all hardware included. It features an adjustable nylon belt and multiple screw options for easy installation on various surfaces. What we like? This provides a peaceful and sensory-rich environment for children. Its soft, breathable cotton material ensures comfort for extended use. If you are looking for a cozy nook for reading or relaxing, this is a great choice. What people say? This swing is comfortable, swings great, easily holds two small kids at the same time, 75 lbs, and is easy to clean. The OUTREE Kids Pod Swing Seat has been a big hit with my kids, especially my neurodivergent toddler, who can be sensitive to textures and needs regulation regularly. The cotton fabric is soft and comfortable enough for her to enjoy without irritation, which makes this a win in our home. Great quality for indoors. The kids loved it, and as an added bonus, my 200 #husband was able to sit in it as well. Number 4. Gentle Monster Wobble Balance Board. Imagine the possibilities. This versatile board can be a swing, a bridge, a shop, or even a racetrack. Let your imagination guide the adventure. It's designed to stimulate your vestibular system, crucial for development and learning. It also helps strengthen posture muscles and improve your sense of balance. This wooden toy grows with your child and is perfect for adults too. Use it for fitness, yoga, balance training, or simply for fun. Made from the highest quality natural wood with unique coloring and textures, each board is truly one of a kind. It's built to last for years. Measuring 35 inches long, it's a durable heirloom piece. It can safely support up to 480 pounds, so everyone can join in the fun. We're confident you'll love this practical balance board. It comes with a 3-year protection period, and our dedicated after-sales service is here to assist you. What we like? This offers endless imaginative play possibilities, transforming into various fun items. It's excellent for developing balance and core strength, suitable for both children and adults. If you want a versatile toy that grows with your child and can be used for fitness, consider this. What people say? It is sturdy, safe to walk on, and balanced so that she can teeter back and forth. It's fun, safe, lightweight, steady, and great for multiple uses. He's learning balance and developing strength. The board also supports me at 6 feet and 185 pounds. Number 3. Tot Tube Playset Toy Car and Ball Ramp Racetrack. Get ready for hours of racing fun. Simply connect the tubes in a flash for exciting car and ball action anywhere you go. It works with almost any brand of toy car, like Hot Wheels and Matchbox. It's also great for balls, making playtime versatile. Prop it up against furniture or stairs for instant entertainment. The transparent middle lets you watch the action up close. No tools or complicated instructions needed. This is 100% pure STEM toy action, perfect for kids aged 2 and up. Buy 2 sets to race side by side or connect them for an extra long track. Get ready for hours of enjoyment. What we like? This allows for quick setup and hours of car and ball racing action. It's compatible with most toy car brands and features a transparent middle piece for viewing. If you want a simple, engaging STEM toy for spontaneous play sessions, this is perfect. What people say. It has 3 parts that you just stick together with no tools needed. It comes with silicone rings you place on each end, and overall, it stays in place really well. The playset glides easily, and you can use it with little figures, balls, or cars. Number 2. SANHO Yopo Dynamic Movement Sensory Socks. Discover the SANHO Yopo Dynamic Movement Sensory Socks, designed to enhance sensory experiences for children. This updated blue version offers a comfortable and engaging way to explore movement. Specifically sized for children aged 6 to 9 years old, these socks accommodate heights from 41 to 51 inches. They provide a secure and stimulating fit for active play. Encourage dynamic movement and provide valuable sensory input with these specially designed socks. They are ideal for children who benefit from tactile and proprioceptive feedback. Enjoy the updated version of our popular sensory socks. The medium size in a vibrant blue ensures a comfortable and effective experience for your child. These sensory socks are more than just footwear, they are a tool for exploration and development. Let your child move, play, and grow with confidence and comfort. What we like. This provides dynamic movement and sensory input, ideal for children who need extra proprioceptive and vestibular stimulation. Its comfortable, snug fit allows for a wide range of motion. If your child enjoys movement-based play and needs help with body awareness, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It has held up to some seriously rough use over the years. It has, on more than one occasion, had 4 entire kids inside it. I'd say it's a wee bit stretched out now, but the seams have held perfectly. My son is 48 tall and this fits him now, but also has room to grow. It's easy for him to climb into. There is a tag on an outside corner so he uses that to tell where the bottom is for his feet. Number 1. MOLUK Bilibo Red. Discover a toy that sparks endless creativity. Its simple yet captivating design invites children to explore their imagination without limits. The iconic shell shape and vibrant color are instantly engaging. It's designed to capture a child's attention and spark their curiosity. This award-winning toy was thoughtfully designed in Switzerland. It was developed in collaboration with child development specialists. Made from durable, non-toxic, and shatterproof material, it's perfect for any adventure. You can use it both inside and outside with confidence. It encourages open-ended play and stimulates creativity in children aged 2 and up. Let their imaginations run wild. What we like. This is designed to inspire limitless creative and imaginative play. Made from durable, non-toxic material, it's built to last for indoor and outdoor adventures. If you're looking for a simple yet magical toy that encourages open-ended exploration, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The seat is very comfortable and supportive. It is easy to install and adjust. The material is durable and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.